What's up, everyone? Gotta love the Dubai skyline. I'm on the Dubai frame right now. I'm very afraid of heights, so if I'm stuttering, that's why. Okay, first off, I'm gonna go over why the US is in big trouble with crypto, why a lot of companies and people are gonna flee the US to go to better places that are much more crypto friendly. As you know, regulations are getting way stronger and it's not gonna stop. Also, I'm going to go over why SBF is even crazier than you could even imagine. But first, please like and subscribe. Check us down below for our CT Club, where you get our trade alerts, portfolio updates, and much more. Biden administration says it would be a mistake to deepen its ties between crypto and the broader financial system. Now, Heidi and I have been saying for about 4 to 5 years now that crypto will be slowly leaving the US, just like, you know, one of the biggest questions that we get asked on our CT Club is, how do we buy such and such coins as an American? It's going to get much worse. So the reason why the Biden administration or the central banks of the US don't want people involved in crypto is because it's decentralized and it's going to take away from their CBDCs that are coming out rapidly, okay? Rapidly, I said. Or I should say stable coins if you watch my last video. All right, next up. SBF is crazy. He's trying to influence witnesses through encrypted messages, prosecutors are saying. So this is coming from the prosecution, which is going to probably lay even more charges on top of him. It is essentially witness intimidation. And this guy is clueless, but you know, he's got a lot of money and he's got a lot of friends in high places, so who knows what's gonna actually happen to him. Just know he's crazy. All right. Again, Bitcoin hash rate is at an all-time high once more. Remember how it was crashing and everybody was panicking? I told people, relax. I've seen this before over and over again. Yes, all-time highs again. No worries. Now, let's go on to money laundering. Okay, the US money laundering, which means printing lots of currency to give to their buddies overseas. The IMF is considering new $16 billion Ukraine aid package. This is coming from Bloomberg. They're just going to print and print and print. There's no stopping. Guys, monetary inflation is absolutely going to skyrocket, and there's nothing stopping that. Yeah. Next up, daily active users by chain. So these are some of the coins that we have gotten our CT Club members in early, okay? BNB has 781,000 daily active users during a bear market. Matic has 344,000 users during a bear market, and ETH has 324,000 users on a daily basis during a bear market. These are bullish signs, guys. So what you've seen with the broader stock market is the broader stock market is up. And why is it up? Because I think the market understands what the Fed is going to do in the future. They're not scared anymore. The Fed Reserve and Wall Street work together. I've been saying this over and over again. The macro environment is fine. Stocks are going to probably continue going up, regardless of how many bears tell you it's not. And also right now, Benjamin Cohen on Twitter says the market is now pricing in a 99.7% probability of a 25 basis point rise next week. So yeah, look at the stock market's up, S&P's up, everything's up. All right, so the broader market, I'm not worried one bit. Next, we're going to talk about Satoshi Flipper. All right, he's a guy that I follow on Twitter. He says as long as the Fed keeps watching the CPI go down month after month, while employment stays low, consumer confidence remains high, and GDP keeps expanding, we are good. So we're expecting the market to continue upward, okay? That's what my friends, that's what Heidi and I think, and many more very intelligent people think that as well. So guys, that is it. That's all. Please enjoy the skyline of beautiful Dubai sunset, and we will talk to you guys soon.